Are you thinking about getting a dog? Hi, this is Nancy at Huff Insurance. I would love to talk to you about how a dog could affect your insurance. I recently had a client who was going to get a rescue dog, and she actually called me because on the form and asked, have you checked with your homeowners carrier to make sure that this dog is eligible? And have you checked with your homeowners association? And her first reaction was, I would have never thought to do either. Well, why is it important that you check with your homeowner's insurance carrier? Well, many carriers are adding a dog exclusion. What does this mean to you? This means that if you have a dog that is on the excluded list or is primarily have the genetics of one of the dogs on the exclusion list, that you may not have any coverage for your liability protection if that dog was to bite someone or attack someone. Dog bites can be huge liability claims. And to find out after you have a loss that you have no protection is not the best time to find that out. So what happens if you're planning on getting a dog? Well, if you're planning on getting a dog, you should make sure that you check with your homeowner's insurance carrier to make sure that that dog is eligible, not just from an underwriting perspective, but most importantly from a coverage perspective. There are certain dogs that are deemed to be aggressive in nature, and those dogs are generally the ones that you will find on the dog forbidden list. However, each carrier handles this separately and differently. That's why there's not one carrier for all insureds. You need to make sure that you're talking to us here at Huff Insurance about the carrier that we have you with to make sure that by getting this dog that we have you in the best company. There are carriers that write separate dog liability policies, so if your carrier does not offer coverage for a specific breed, you may be eligible through a separate carrier. However, these policies can be several $100s a year. Give us a call here at Huff Insurance so that we can properly advise you before you get that new family member, so that we can make sure that you're making the best decision for your financial future as well as your family's future. Thank you.